Hi, welcome to today's episode of Kids Town Corner. Today we're going to talk about something that many of us enjoy. We use it frequently. I'm trying to drop hints, but you may not have figured it out. That's way too easy, so Ren's always the guy that's got the answers.
Yeah, we're going to talk about chewing gum. We all like to chew gum, and we get that question all the time are there any benefits to chewing gum, and at the same time, are there any drawbacks to chewing gum? So we'll kind of start with the benefits of chewing gum first. One of the good things about chewing gum, in addition to having some good breath and not killing your neighbors, is that it actually does help to clean your teeth and help to prevent cavities, because as you know, whenever you're chewing on something, it kind of stimulates your saliva production. And so that extra saliva that you're producing kind of helps go around and keep your mouth moist and clean, and helps to lower the acidity level of your mouth, which can contribute to decay.
Absolutely. One of the things to be mindful of when you're choosing gum, there's going to be a whole lineup at the store. Anything from Atomic Warheads gum, stay away from that one. Sorry, Atomic Warheads. And to anything that's sugar-free. So really you're looking for sugar-free gum. There's different types of sugar-free gum. There's some that have like xylitol in it, which is a different artificial sweetener. There's been studies that show that sweetener might be better than others as far as the sugar-free gums. The thing about those studies is you had to have an insane amount of that gum in order for it to be effective, and had some different side effects that aren't as awesome. So you can chew xylitol gum, but to actually get the benefits of reducing cavity level, you have to chew literally over 10, 15 pieces of that a day. And so probably not gonna happen. If you were to chew gum that much, what would be one of the problems?
Yeah, one of the drawbacks to chewing gum, and we get this a lot, is if you have any type of TMJ problems, if you're getting clicking and popping as you open and close your mouth, then the last thing you want to do is sit there and chew on gum all day, because you're just inflaming that joint, and it's making the problems worse. So that's one of the things, if Dr. Brett and I, if we get a patient in and they're complaining about clicking and popping whenever they're opening the jaw, one of the first things we'll say is, all right, we got to really cut back, if not totally eliminate gum for a while, and let that joint kind of rest, and see if we can get some of that inflammation down, and see if we can prevent that clicking and popping whenever you're opening and closing.
Absolutely. One of the other things that you want to look for as far as avoiding gum is if you have any type of orthodontic appliances or spacers that we may put in our pediatric patients. Any type of appliance in your mouth, you probably want to avoid gum. If you are chewing gum with those appliances, you just have to be careful it doesn't get stuck in there or pull things off and that. So anyway, I think that pretty much covers, gum chewing. Overall, Ren and I chew gum. We both spit out our gum before we started talking on here. So most of the time we're using that to freshen breath, but it does have some side benefits like we've talked about today. So anyways, hopefully that was worthwhile to you. If there's any questions, comments, please put them down below. We'd love to respond. If you have anyone who you think this might benefit, or anyone who has a sore jaw, maybe that'll answer some of those questions or issues that they might have. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.